Hey guys, I'm Rogut, and this is my rant. We believe in the diversity of thought here on this channel. Now, getting right into it, this is going to be a test video. This is going to be a little experiment. From now on, I'm going to be recording videos with my phone. It has a much better camera than my flip video camera that I've been using. It's a great starter camera in my opinion. But I'm just going to upgrade to the Google Pixel 3, which is my phone, which has a great camera. I mean, the phone's almost 2 years old now, but it still has a great camera, so I want to use it. And I just ordered a gimbal stabilizer, so it can be a tripod. I can hold it. I can go for my walking videos without all the jitter and the bumbling, dumbling, rumbling, grumbling, all that type of stuff. So yeah, so just a few announcements. I do have more medals coming from SD Bullion. I plan on doing an unboxing video when they do come within the week. And then just some announcements. I'm going to be doing, my typical financial news videos. I'm also going to be doing more focused medal videos, some market videos as well. I'm still going to be doing my random rants and my angry rants. I'm going to be planning on putting those out on certain days of the week, and then yeah. So that's basically it. I'll do more unboxings as I get things. I'll talk more about markets. I'm going to be talking about just news stories as well, not just financial news, but I'm also going to weigh in on certain news topics and stuff like that, and those can turn into rants and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just a test announcement. I just wanted to do this real quick. So if you like the content here, I want you to hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe and that bell notification, ding-a-ling. It might work, might not. And then just remember, if you didn't like the video, if you didn't like my face, if you don't like my shirt, if you don't like the topic that I'm talking about, just remember to smash that dislike button. It gives me a chance to improve, make better content, make more content, and then just get better overall with what I'm doing. All right, guys, have a great rest of the day. I'll see you next time. More stuff planned. I'm really excited. See ya.